The article by Bishnu Bhattacharya and Pavel Kingdoman is about the interactions between large carnivores and people, as the large carnivores are usually endangered and therefore conservation is needed. The decline in abundance of prey is due to there being less in prey and more hunting by locals. The shortage of food supply causes the predators such as the tiger and the leopard to hunt domestic animals and sometimes people. This article is an attempt of making the dietary overlap and its consequences. The experiment was conducted in the lowland terrain of Nepal in the Chaiwan National Park. This area covers 932 kilometres and is surrounded by a buffer zone of 732 kilometres, with 55% being agricultural and 45% being forest. Scat analysis was conducted as it is an easy sampling method and doesn't interrupt the animals. Scats were collected during a period of 2008 and 2009, as well as 100 hairs, which were also collected at random. 20 out of these 100 hairs were chosen and were examined under a compound microscope, which were then photographed and compared to microphotographs of reference hairs. The dietary analysis showed the interactions between humans and the predators were only in contact with reference to livestock, and these incidents were compared to the official records. 229 tigers and 97 leopard scats were collected, with 17 species being identified. 16 of these species were in the tiger and 11 were in the leopard. Table 3 shows the biomass and the number of animals consumed, and also the remains of the humans were very minimal compared to the wild species. Human activity has been the cause of decline in wildlife. The evidence for this is the proportion of medium-sized animals in the diets of these predators, with 51.53% being in disturbed areas and 27% in non-disturbed areas. Leopards aren't afraid to venture out close to human settlements for hunting, and this causes competition for prey for the tiger, as they do not venture close to humans. This causes the leopards to be hunted by the locals. For effective conservation of the tiger and the leopard, there needs to be undisturbed habitats with high populations of suitable species. Also, educating the locals towards nature conservation awareness and to actively cooperate with the wildlife protection authorities and the park rangers. Thank you for your attention.